Vinegar. It's a pantry staple. But did you know it's also a cleaning powerhouse? That's right. This humble liquid can tackle tough stains, banish odors, and even make your home sparkle. Forget harsh chemicals. Vinegar is a natural, effective, and affordable way to keep your home clean and fresh. Vinegar's magic comes from its acidity. This natural acidity breaks down dirt, grime, and mineral deposits. It also neutralizes odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Plus, vinegar is a natural disinfectant. It can kill bacteria and germs, making your home safer and healthier. Ready to ditch the harsh chemicals? Embrace the power of vinegar. It's time to unlock a cleaner, greener, and more economical way to maintain your home. Let's explore the many ways vinegar can transform your cleaning routine. Let's face it, cleaning the toilet isn't a glamorous chore. But with vinegar, it can be a breeze. Vinegar is incredibly effective at tackling those stubborn hard water stains that plague our toilets. Simply pour a cup of vinegar into your toilet bowl and let it sit overnight. The next morning, give it a quick scrub and voila, your toilet will be sparkling clean. For a deeper clean, combine vinegar's power with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda around the toilet bowl, then add a cup of vinegar. The mixture will fizz, working its magic to loosen dirt and grime. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, then scrub and flush for a sparkling clean toilet. Vinegar can also tackle rust stains on metal toilet parts. Soak a cloth in vinegar and wrap it around the rusty area. Let it sit for a few hours, then scrub away the rust. Your toilet will look and feel brand new. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to the natural cleaning power of vinegar. Vinegar's cleaning power extends far beyond the bathroom. This versatile liquid can also work wonders on your hair and nails. Hard water can leave your hair feeling dry and dull. Vinegar can help. Simply mix a tablespoon of vinegar with a cup of water and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. The vinegar will remove mineral buildup, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and more manageable. Did you know vinegar can also make your nail polish last longer? Before applying polish, dip a cotton ball in vinegar and wipe down your nails. The vinegar will remove any oils or residue, allowing the polish to adhere better and last longer. No more chipped nails. Vinegar can even help combat acne. Its antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Mix equal parts vinegar and water and apply the solution to your face with a cotton ball. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with water. Remember to do a patch test first to check for sensitivity. Vinegar is truly a magical cleaning elixir. From banishing tough stains to boosting your beauty routine, its uses are endless. So ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the natural cleaning power of vinegar. Your home and your body will thank you. Ready to see the magic of vinegar for yourself? Try out these tips and discover a cleaner, greener, and more economical way to live. And don't forget to share the magic with your friends. Did you find these vinegar hacks helpful? Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing cleaning tips and tricks. See you in the next video.